Route of transmission. Whipworm infects humans by fecal-oral route. Humans are infected by ingesting food or water contaminated with human feces. Life cycle of whipworm. Whipworm's eggs containing immature larvae are released in humans' feces to soil. This is the diagnostic stage of worm. Lab tests can detect whipworm at this stage. In feces, eggs deposited in warm moist soil mature to form embryos. These embryonated eggs are ingested by humans through food or water contaminated with human feces. This is the infectious stage of worm. Eggs reach small intestine, where they hatch into immature larvae. These immature larvae reach colon, where they mature into adults. In colon, these adults mate to produce thousands of fertilized eggs daily, that are passed in feces. Again these eggs mature in soil, to become embryo-containing eggs, that are eventually ingested by humans, and the cycle repeats. Again,